Sorry, Steph. Right, ready? I'm going to just move to the side. Any pain, Pamela?
No. When it pinches, I should say, ouch.
Brilliant.
Been there for so long, isn't it?
Brilliant. Let's go now.
Is it really?
Just letting it rest a little bit because I don't want to make it too sore.
So, can't you pick it off then?
Well, I'm just seeing how it's gonna... I don't want it to squirt at me though, that's the trouble. I hope it does. In a minute I might have to wipe a bit off.
Well, why don't you try and pick it out?
No, because...
It's not high.
Yeah, I know, but at the moment...
Is it a scab?
No, it's just like... I said to Mum...
Who's that in there? I can hear things.
Ready? Pamela, is that hurting?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll tell you. It's pinching a bit now.
Pinching a bit? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll leave it a minute.
Is it coming out really?
Positively.
Really?
Yeah. I don't want to make you sore though, so we'll just take our time.
No, it's not sore at the moment.
Put a bit more of this on.
I love that. It's like cooling it, isn't it?
Yeah, we just want to keep it nice and clean. Ready?
Yeah.
Yep, that's moved a bit more. That's it.
It's hard, isn't it?
It's the top bit that's hard.
I know, but if it's have a good old soap, that's probably what...
Softened it all.
Yeah, no, got rid of a bit of the black on the top.
Yeah, open that up again. Give it a minute.
You're loving it, aren't you, Babs?
I'm glad to see it out though, Pam. Right, let me know if this is going to hurt, okay?
Right.
Oof.
You sure it's alright?
Yeah. Anything happening?
Yeah.
What? Something coming out?
Yeah.
Get it on the tape.
Oh my god, it looks like...
What is it? What coming out? Young son?
Just gunge.
Oh!
Oh, that's good. That's
I want to
good.
have a look.
Yeah, that's really good. It's coming out now.
In a minute. Hang on. When she pulls it out, you can see it.
Has the black come off then?
It's, well, it's out.
Oh,
But you just let me know
I
if there's
will.
any pain.
Oh my god. Oh, it's lifted.
How much?
Quite a
much?
bit, but I don't want to lift it
Will
off
you,
yet.
will you get holiday? Will you get holiday out of it? Will I get a new carpet?
Yeah, I bet you do.
No, I'm getting a new floor.
Right, here we go. Well, that's too wet. Let me just give that a minute.
All right then. Can I have a little? I'll keep my arm up. Can I? Yep. Here, look at me.